All right, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever the case may be for you, wherever you happen to be. I hope you're doing well to yourself and to others. This is Gerard at Rush Truck Center's Indianapolis, Indiana location, and thanks for watching this video. Look at her. She's so pretty. Anyway, this is a 2014 International LoneStar. Thought I'd step outside before I leave the office this evening and just do a quick little rundown on this truck. It's a really clean truck. Not sure if the video does it justice, but this thing is like gleaming out here in the sun. Let me step to the other side here, see if you can see a little better here. This is a 2014 International LoneStar. It's got a 70-inch sleeper, single bunk. This one doesn't have all the bells and whistles that you can order on the LoneStar, but it's a really nice truck. Low price, really good miles for a 2014. It's got the Navistar Max Force 13-liter engine in it with all the recommended updates done. Really clean frame. The interior's clean. It's kind of a, I wouldn't say slimmed down version, but it doesn't have the, like I said, everything that you could order. So highly desirable for someone who's concerned about fuel economy. Really light truck. 70-inch sleeper. It's got a 10-speed Eaton Fuller manual shift transmission and 440,000 miles on the odometer. Really good deal here on pricing. Give me a call if you're interested. DOT inspection's done, PM service is done, frame's cleaned up, truck's ready to go. Really pretty truck. International really did their homework on the design of the LoneStar. Get a lot of calls from folks looking for this truck, and it's not very often we get them on the used market in really good condition. If you're not a fan of the Max Force 13 engine, I can tell you for a fact I've sold many of them that have done quite well as long as they've got the updates done. And if you're not aware of that program, give me a shout. My office number is 317-677-9234. Give me a call. This is Gerard at Rush Truck Center's Indianapolis, Indiana location. Again, this is a 2014 black International LoneStar Max Force 13 engine. 475 horsepower, 10-speed Eaton Fuller manual shift transmission, 260 wheelbase, 3.42 gear ratio, air slide fifth wheel. LoneStar. 317-677-9234. Isn't she pretty? Thanks for watching.